Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, October 5th. I had an idea for this video. I was going to do it over the weekend, but I didn't because I started another little task that I thought would probably take an hour or so, and it ended up taking like 6, and I didn't even finish it. However, it prevented me from doing this video today, which is going to be a shoe declutter. This, by the way, it's my monthly zits are here, so this one's a big one. These, I did some extractions a couple of nights ago, so I've got like little red spots. I just dabbed medicine on those too, so hopefully that'll clear those up. But here I am, looking lovely. Anywho, I would also just like to say that this video is giving me anxiety, and it's going to break my heart because I love shoes. I'm a woman, don't we all? We love shoes and handbags and sunglasses and makeup and perfume and clothes and just everything. However, I really love some shoes. I did declutter my shoes at the beginning of this year, March maybe, I'm not sure when it was, but I did do a declutter of some of my shoes, but it is time that we declutter again. So I'm going to flip my camera around. I'm going to give you an overall look at what we've got going on here. I'm just going to go through some of them. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to make a giveaway pile, a maybe pile, and a keep pile. And let's see how much damage we can get done today. Okay, here we are with an overlook of the shoes that I kept out of the last declutter. It's not really that much. To some people, it may look like a lot, and to some people, it may look like nothing. But I don't have a large closet. I don't have a walk-in closet or anything. So I'm very limited on places I can store my shoes. So what I think I'm going to do is the ones that I'm a definite giveaway, I'm going to probably set them over here. The ones that are a maybe, I probably set up here. And then the ones that I keep, I'll put over here. I don't know. I'll figure out some kind of system as I go. Up here so I can sit down. I'm tired already. Okay, so just skimming over this line, I already know that these can go. Those are staying, 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 those are staying. Let's see. These, I just got these this year. Love these. I have a black pair right here. These came from Rue 21. These are like my favorite little booties to wear ever. I love these, so we'll go ahead and put both of these in the keep pile. I love these, but they got wet, and so look what it did to the leather there. I don't know how to fix that. I love them. I only wore them a couple times. If I can fix that, maybe Google how to fix this discoloration, I will keep them. But if I can't figure out how to fix it, then those are going bye-bye as well. So for now, I'm going to put them in the maybe pile. declutter anything. This is all the keeps from here over. Here's what I decided to keep. And then I have those three are maybes. Those are those gold snow boots. And these are my giveaways. So, I mean, I actually did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, like 12 pairs. 12 pairs of shoes to give away. That's not that bad. And so, these are pending Google. Let's see what Google says about how to clean those back up. Those, I think I'll go ahead and pass those on. The only thing is, in the summer, if I wear an outfit that would look cute with just a plain white sandal, I don't have any other than those. So actually, I think I'll just go ahead. I'll keep these. I'll throw these over here in the keep pile. And then that's pending Google. And I probably just go ahead and let those go as well. So that's 12, 13, possibly 14. But definitely at least 13 pairs of shoes that I'm passing on. So it was an okay declutter. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. If you like these type videos of decluttering and organizing, let me know, because that's what I do a lot. I like to organize things, cabinets and drawers and closets. I like to organize, and then I'll reorganize. And I have several different organizers that I've ordered from Amazon. I think I will make that video next. Maybe some Amazon must-haves, or my current beauty favorites. Those two will be coming up soon. But yeah, if you like this declutter style video, let me know, and I'll be sure to do more, like decluttering my clothes. It'd be a good time to do that, because fall is here, winter's getting ready to come, so I need to switch out my clothes, get the spring and summer stuff away. And so when I do that, typically I declutter. What did I wear? What didn't I wear? If I didn't wear it, I'm giving it away. You know, and then we'll do the same thing. What we're keeping, possibly give away. We'll do that type things. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like more content like this, please let me know. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Even if you think you are, check, because I'm still, every day I still lose subscribers. Like, I'll gain 2 and then I'll lose 2. Then I'll gain 1 and I'll lose 2. Like, it's still going on. I don't know if it's a glitch with YouTube. I'm thinking it might be. However, check to see if you are still subscribed, because I have been unsubscribed to some of my most favorite channels that I watch almost on a daily basis. Check to see if you still are. If you aren't, hit subscribe. Ring the bell to get all of my notifications, so you will see when I do post a video. And that's all. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.